drought and famine.
Hey loves, welcome back to another video. If you knew, my name is Bria. If you didn't know, now you know. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my updated natural eyebrow. So all the products that I'll be using will be listed down in the description box for you guys. So I'll be using a lot of Essence products, and this video is not sponsored, you guys, just in case. But if people from Essence are watching this video, please sponsor your girl, cause y'all products at the bomb.
Come back quickly. I'm so addicted. I withdraw symptoms. I found something special, and it's just for you.
So first things first, what you need to do is actually powder your eyebrows. My eyebrows can be oily after I put on my moisturizer, my primer, so I love when my eyebrows are dry, just so I can have, or should I say, like draw my eyebrows correctly when I'm actually using the pencil. I don't know if I'm actually making sense, but you guys can actually see in this video how I actually do that. But I just love to start with this step whenever I'm actually doing my eyebrows, because I find it very easy for me, just so the product or the pencil doesn't move. So I'm actually gonna brush my eyebrows with this spoolie. Remember when I showed you guys the pomade? That was a product I used to use when I used to draw my eyebrows, but I had to include it also in this video to show you guys that sometimes I do use it, but in this video I actually didn't use it, and I didn't want to forward this video because I wanted everything to be very detailed. So I'll be using this Essence eyebrow pencil in the number 02. So as you guys can just see from the pencil that I use it a lot because it's already short. So I'll actually start from the bottom of my eyebrows to actually create a shape of it on how I want my eyebrows to be. I don't know if I'm actually making sense, you guys, because I'm not good at explaining things, as I said from my last video. So I'm actually gonna draw my eyebrows like this, and then you guys can actually see in this video how I actually do that, because I don't want to ramble and say a lot of things that are not making sense. So you guys can just see how I actually do my eyebrows on a daily basis.
You should come over later.
So loves, I don't like to use a heavy hand when I'm actually drawing my eyebrows, but if I somehow feel that my eyebrows are a bit dark, I will actually brush them out with the spoolie. You guys would actually see that in this video how I actually did that. I won't be explaining everything out because y'all can just see what I'm doing, and I decided not to even forward this video just so you guys can actually see everything in this video.
Keep it coming, kissing and hugging. I love it.
So loves, whenever it comes to eyebrows, y'all know by now that y'all eyebrows won't look like identical twins, so they might differ a bit, but when it comes to concealer and all other stuff, you can actually fix that and make them look identical. As I would say, you guys would actually see how I actually did that in this video. As I've mentioned before, all the products that I use in this video will be listed down in the description box for you guys, but I will actually do explain to you guys some of the products that I'll be using in this video if you guys can actually not see what is written on the product.
Tell me your dream. Tell me your dream. Feels so good.
Using a flat angled brush and the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the number 40 to clean up my brows.
Please come back quickly. I'm so addicted. I withdrawal symptoms fix my condition. Please come back quickly. I'm so addicted. I withdrawal symptoms. I found something special. And it's just for you. You should come over later and enjoy the view.
Please come back quickly. I'm so addicted. I'm so addicted. I'm so addicted.
I found something special. And it's just for you. You should come over later.
Using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 350 that's close to my skin tone. Sometimes it's best to use a foundation or a concealer that's close to your skin tone to clean up your top brows.
I'm so addicted. You should come over later and enjoy the view. What's your dream? I love holding you when we're sleeping.
I love holding you when we're sleeping. I love holding you when we're
Keep it coming, kissing and hugging. I love it.
So I'll be blending the concealer and the foundation on top of my brows with a beauty blender, just so whenever I'm actually doing my makeup, everything is blended seamlessly and there's no harsh lines or whatnot. But when I feel like my eyebrows are not even, just like as you guys can see, I will go back with the pencil just so I can actually make them look even. So loves, I know I look like a ghost right now because I haven't set my faces yet. I wanted to finish up with this video and do my eyebrows just so you guys can actually see how I'm actually doing it. I know my eyebrows look a little bit not even, but once we're done, you guys will actually see how everything turned out.
Show me your dream. Feels so good.
So I'll be using the Lash and Brow Gel from Essence. If y'all didn't know by now, this is the best eyebrow gel one needs, y'all. It makes your eyebrows stay in place and it makes them look natural, as I said on the first start of this video. So y'all need to buy this product and it's not quite expensive. So I use this product a lot, you guys, on my eyelashes and on my eyebrows.
Please come back quickly. I'm so addicted. I withdraw symptoms. Fix my condition. Please come back quickly. I'm so addicted. I withdraw symptoms. I found something special. And it's just for you. You should come over later and enjoy.
To highlight under my brows, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter just so I can give my eyebrows that pop, honey.
Something special, and it's just for you.
So if you guys watched this video till this far, make sure you like this video and comment down below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and comment down below as well. So don't forget to also follow me on my Instagram, y'all guys, and everything that's in this video, as I mentioned, will be listed down in the description box for you guys. And comment down below whatever videos you guys want to see of me next. I'll be happy to do it for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah.
And be like that.